Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress like Rapunzel from Barbie and dress to impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is the outfit and then I'm going to show you how I made this look. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose all these hairstyles and you're going to color it with this color, the light yellow color. And you're going to go to the changing room and we're going to choose the corset from the witch the witch set. So make sure you have purchased this corset, and for the first selection you're going to color it with this pink color. This is for the hex, and then for the second selection as well, and the third selection. Meanwhile for the fourth selection, you're going to color it with this gold color for the lace, and the last one you're going to color it with this pink color. Okay, and don't forget to change the material to glitter. Okay, you can change all the material to glitter. Okay, now we're going to go to the outer clothing area. It's here, and we're going to select this dress, this one, and you're going to make it glitter for the first selection and also the second selection. And then for the color, I'm going to apply this color for the first selection, and for the second selection apply this gold color. And then move to the next one. You're going to choose the skirt and we're going to color it with the same pink color. Okay, and then don't forget to make it glitter. Okay, done. And I'm going to move to the next area right here where the sleeves, and then you're going to make it glitter. And then move to this area, select the sleeve, make it glitter, and apply the same pink color. All right, and the last one, oops, not the last one actually. We need this item. Okay, and we're going to move to the necklace area. Okay, and then I'm going to wear this necklace, color it pink, and make it glitter. All right, and then I'm going to put on this earring as well, and this is for the final result. Sorry guys, sometimes my glitter is not working, but if the glitter can appear, it will be so beautiful. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.